Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets closed mixed. Dow was down, Nasdaq and S&P 500 higher. And more importantly, Apple has beaten Microsoft. Now Apple is number one stock in the world. Asian markets are, I would say muted. It's almost flat, so directionless. Even the gift Nifty is just up by 10-20 points. Nothing. It's going to be almost flat. Yesterday, FII is selling more than 3,000 crores. The domestic institutions buying more than 500 crore is a little bit of disappointment for bulls. After non-stop buying every day, the domestic institutions also joined the hands with FIIs to sell yesterday. But surprisingly, yesterday the markets did not fall. Forget about the markets. Broader markets have outperformed very well. It was only the banking stocks that came down. IT went up. FMCG also there was some kind of a selling. So probably the FMCG has run up too much in the last few weeks. But nothing to worry too much on the downside. I still believe that 23,000 will be held by the bulls. As I told you already, I am expecting Nifty to trade between 23,000 to 24,000, probably with a positive bias. And today trading will be very interesting. Number one, ahead of the holiday, 3-day, Monday is a holiday. So ahead of a 3-day long weekend, traders will not like to carry positions home. So they might like to book the profits. But who is going to book the profits? People who are holding a long position or people who are holding the short position. So depending upon that, the last 1 hour will be very interesting. Today after 2 p.m. the market will be very, very interesting. Look at the last 4 trading sessions. The first 3 trading sessions, selling came after 2 p.m. But those 3 days, FIIs and DIIs were buyers. A net figure was buying. Yesterday, the selling has happened in the morning itself. And net institutional was selling. Both FII and DII were net sellers. So, it will be reasonable to assume that, if the selling comes in the morning, institutions are selling. If selling comes after 2 p.m., it is the retail people who are selling. So, now retail people are getting more and more powerful. So, today on few things, it is going to be very interesting. And number one, how the markets are going to behave after all the events are over. So as of day before yesterday evening, all the events are over, but yesterday both institutions decided to sell. So whether the selling is going to continue or it's going to be one-off incident, so that we will know after seeing today's data. That's number one. Number two, for the last 4 trading sessions, as and when a Nifty future traded above to 23,400, selling came intraday. On a closing basis, Nifty future could not close above 23,400. Even the Nifty spot also. So today it will be interesting to see whether Nifty will be closing above 23,400 or below. So that's another interesting thing. I am expecting some kind of a positive bias, irrespective of whether FIIs are selling or not. Right? I will be happy if Nifty goes into the next box, 23,500 to 24,000. In fact, yesterday my son has taken a strategy. If you want, I can share that strategy. He bought 23,200 call option. So he bought 23,200 call option, sold 23,800 call option, and also sold 22,800 put option. So this was a 1:4:3 ratio trade, and the expectation is that markets will be bullish, but will not be ultra bullish. He will make maximum profit if Nifty goes and settles somewhere around 23,800 in the next 2 weeks. So we still have 9 more trading sessions. So however, it was a neutral strategy. There was no credit or no debit. in case market goes down. So there might be some problem, but he will start adjusting the positions. So in fact, he has taken a Bank Nifty short straddle a few days before in July series, and that has given very good result. And because though Nifty is going higher, Bank Nifty is not going anywhere, and Bank Nifty is just making a bigger intraday move, but on a close to close basis for the last 1 week it did not go anywhere. So 3000 quantity of Bank Nifty short straddle has given almost 15 lakh rupees profit as of now. So we still have how many more? 6 more weeks for July. 6, maybe 7 more weeks. I don't know. I have to check. July is 5 weeks or 4 weeks. I don't know. So today you don't see much in the open interest, because nowadays, because of huge moves, people don't take positional view for 1 month, 2 months. Mostly people trade with the short term, like 1 day expiry, 2 day expiry, 3 day expiry, and they get out. So because of that, I don't see much open interest in the monthly options, and people are just creating a short-term trades. So today is a Friday, so the open interest will start building up for the weekly series. So that may also have some effect. Yesterday, though banking stocks were down, HDFC Bank was doing well. So today we have to see whether HDFC Bank supports. So I would say the Bank Nifty performance is actually disappointing for bulls. So who knows? In fact, though markets are at such a high place, both banking and IT stocks, even there was some good news for Wipro, the IT stocks were going higher, but still TCS and Infosys not doing well. Just few months before, a TCS block deal happened around 4,042 rupees, I think. And, after that it is struggling to cross 4,000. So trading around 3,900 something. So who knows, if this IT and banking start picking up, 24,000 will be the next target for Nifty. But probably it is too much of expectation for that to happen in this series. Who knows, probably in July series this may happen. So meanwhile, option writers are enjoying the volatility crash. Everyday volatility coming down. Day before yesterday it fell by 10%. Yesterday it fell 6%. Keeps on crashing. But one bad thing, anything happen, there will be something good and something bad. Good thing is that those who are having positions already, they are getting into good profit because of IV crash. But those who want to take a new trade, the option premiums are not lucrative now. So that is why it's always advisable to have a combination of both buy and sell options rather than pure naked selling. So otherwise, with the low premium, if you sell, if the markets make a violent move, you will be in trouble. So let us see. So what is going to happen? So keep watching for Reliance and HDFC Bank as usual. And ICICI Bank is the one, after it a fantastic run from almost 300 rupees to 1100 rupees. Around 1100 it has been consolidating. And Kotak Bank is also nothing to speak. For many years it has been trading in a range. So finally, it is the responsibility lies with Axis Bank, HDFC Bank and State Bank to bring up the Bank Nifty. So it will be very crucial for the markets. IT stocks, especially TCS and Infosys, and banking stocks have to perform for this upside momentum to continue. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.